Are you still worried about the low efficiency and long drying time of materials? Net Belt Dryer, your professional drying partner. It adopts advanced electric heating, steam heating and hot air heating technology to achieve batch and continuous production so that